it's Nazara's and Nazara's Fine Crafts. Today we're going to do an unboxing. It's almost two unboxings. One's from Lionbrand, and I'll get to that in a moment. And the other one's kind of from Amazon. So I do craft shows during the year, and I order my bags from Amazon for my customers' merchandise. And right now I'm still a small business, so I've got to save where I can. But I get a pack. It's of 200 small plastic bags. They're 9 by 15s. But this is what they look like. And then I have an ink stamp that says thank you, and it's called Stays On ink. It's like permanent marker ink that I stamp all of these bags. And then so I got them in blue and in this pretty purple color. You can see that well. Try it on that side. So, but these are, I see people walking around with those grocery bags that say thank you and everything on it, and I can't do it. I like to have something a little bit more specific to your booth. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I do anything that, mostly crochet, but I am going to get into a few yarn crafts. If you like different crafts, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel, as well as if you check out the video for my March giveaway, it's going to be down in the description. We only have about 2 weeks left, so if you are interested in getting some free yarn, go ahead and check that video out and see how to sign up. And then let's go ahead and get into this box of Lionbrand yarn. So at the beginning of the month, they were having a sale on DIYarn. It was 4 for $1, so a quarter a skein. I was like, why not? Let's go ahead and try it. My mother, if you had watched the last video of my mom unboxing, the yarn that she had gotten in her crate delivery was DIYarn. So it's soft, it's nice to work with, so I figured why not give it a try. As well as I got the colors that I accidentally got. So I bought cotton yarn from Love Crafts instead of the acrylic yarn that I was supposed to buy to make a monkey rug. So I went ahead and got the colors I needed to make a monkey rug from out of this DIY yarn. So this one's in Camel. And if you look, it says DIYarn or DIYarn. So it doesn't say DIY and then yarn. But it's 100% acrylic. It's 30 grams, 65 yards or 60 meters. Machine washable and dryable. It is made in Turkey. It is a medium 4 weight. And then it uses 5mm knitting needles or 6mm crochet hook or J10. And like I said, this is in the color Camel. So I'm going to show you something with these though. The only thing with these is on the Lionbrand website, this looks like a regular skein that you're getting. So we're all pretty familiar with Caron Simply Soft. It's in the stores, but that's the difference in the sizes. So for a quarter though, I thought it was worth it. So I got 20 skeins of that color to see if that'll work for the monkey rug, and then I got 20 of this color, and this color is just brown. It's like a chocolate, rich chocolate brown. So, got 20 of those. And then I have a hallway in my house that is like 12 or 14 foot long. It's just a long hallway. And at one end is my son's room. At the other end is my living room. So when my TV's on, it blasts into my son's room. So if he's sleeping and we're watching TV, we've got to watch it really quietly. So I figured maybe I would make a rug and see if it helps out with this sound bouncing down my hallway. So I got this color. It is the color grass for the hallway to try to make some pattern for my hallway rug. If you guys have an idea, a good pattern that would make a really nice long runner rug, then comment below and let me know, and I'll check those out. I would love to do something kind of different with these. I didn't want any animals not in my hallway, but yeah, go ahead and comment that below for me. Oh, I got 40 skeins of that one. So the shipping was about $10, and so I paid a total of $29 with the $10 shipping. So it ended up averaging about 36 cents a skein, which I think was still pretty good. It wasn't bad at all. So the only issue I had was when you ordered, it took them about a week just to ship it out. And I mean, with sales like this, you got to think maybe high traffic, you got to get it all together and everything like that. But you'd think Lionbrand, being such a big brand, would be a little bit more prepared for something like that. Now, after it was shipped, it came like that. So, not bad at all. So, if you like these kind of videos, give me a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to my channel for more. And we'll see you later. Bye!